Ahmed from Jordan. I'm the founder of Smart Data Logger. Our solution is developed for pharma industry. They are rich. Medicine is sensitive to temperature and get damaged by temperature. Unfortunately, or fortunately, 20% of temperature-sensitive shipments get damaged during the shipping journey. 35 billion is the losses of pharma industry every year. According to IATA, 30% of these damages occurred within airports. Why medicine get damaged? Because the process of supply chain is very complex. There's so many players operating in silos and so many risky touch points with no cooling system. The current use technology is offline data logger, history provider, attached with each shipment. When the shipment arrives, they get the reading. According to the reading, they accept or reject the shipment. Our solution is IoT-based data logger with internet connectivity for real-time visibility from end to end. But having access to real-time data will not protect the shipment. So we developed a platform connecting all the supply chain stakeholders with their contact details. In case of event, if the temperature getting close to the temperature limits, the device will immediately notify the in-charge person at the operation field. The competition in the MENA, there is no competition. Worldwide, the competitors are providing real-time data. We are providing real-time action. The device will be for rental to make it cheaper than the current use single-use devices. Monthly subscription for the software and outcome model for the notification. The more we protect shipments, the more we will generate money. Kick-off market will be Jordan. We have good 6 big pharma players, and they are global players. Our team, I'm Senior Development Manager of Supply Chain Management with 12 years experience, with MPA from Finland and Lean Six Sigma from US. My co-founder with 13 years experience in software development and IoT product manager. Achievements so far, 2 things. Nokia, when we present in Mobile World Congress, was interested in our approach, and we will be having meeting with them next week. The second thing, we have our first paying customer called Cold Chain Courier, and he requested 40 devices for $22 per month. Looking for 150K to manufacture 500 devices.
All right, thank you. Judges, what questions do you have?
So tell us about your first client. What do they do, and are they paying, or is this a free of charge first?
No, the first paying customer.
Where are they based?
In Jordan, Bullet Express, Cold Chain Courier, Jordanian courier. They have 15 cold trucks. They approached us. We did not approach them. They requested 40 devices.
And they're paying the price, and you've installed. So is there a software associated with this also?
Yeah. They are interested in the software because in the software, they just put if they have a truck, the number of the driver. If something wrong happened in the way, the device will notify the driver and the quality assurance and everybody engaged. So in real time, will protect the shipment.
Did you meet with the sector? Have you had meetings with the pharma industry?
Yeah, actually, I'm working with an airline at cargo department. So I'm solving the problem inside the airport for pharma industry. We have regular meeting with all of them, and we present the solution. They are ready when we have the devices to use it, and they are hungry for it, and we're hungry for success.
What is one sensor goes on to assume some sort of pallet of medicine? What's the value of the product that you're protecting versus the actual cost to the pharmaceutical company?
I'm sorry, the actual cost of the device?
So for a unit that you're shipping, you've put a device on there.
Yes.
What does the device cost versus what is the unit of pharmaceutical product that's being shipped?
Actually, it depends, but like we receive a claim for March for 750,000, a claim that damaged. The damage for pharma industry is very huge. Now they are paying $30 for the offline data logger. It is single use. Now our device for rental will be for $30. So they will not pay anything else. They will not have extra cost on them.
It's a fraction of the total cost or the savings that they could generate. It's a small fraction what they're paying.
Yeah, it's a small fraction actually, and they are not. They have a smart solution of the cost of the offline solution.
What's your revenue projection? Where do you see yourself a year from now?
Actually, the 500 devices we will manufacture is we will within 6 months. The first customer for $22, we will break even by the end of 6 months and make a little profit. And they are only 2% of the addressable Jordanian market. You can play with the numbers. We have 20,000 cold truck in Jordan. This is locally. And in the MENA, there is no similar solution still.
You have Royal Jordanian. Is that an airline that has adopted to test
Yeah,
this?
we early piloting our solution, and we sent test notification for the airline. We tested. We are piloting with them our solution, and with pharma industrial.
Any other questions? All right. Well, thank you. Very nice job.
Thank
Way to
you.
go.